Hi, I am Ashwin Ramni here again from Derivative Trading Academy. Like in the previous video, we learned about the concept of a swing high, wherein the price goes up, it takes a halt, it takes a pause, and then reverses down. So the place from where it took a halt, that zone or that point or that area in particular is called as your swing high point. In this video, I am going to talk about what is a swing low. Now, swing low is exactly opposite of swing high. What happens in a swing low is that the price is in a downtrend. You could see the price going down. It will halt at a certain level. It will take a support at a certain level and then bounce from that level. Like if you look at swing high, it goes up, it falls at a certain level and then reverses back. So that high point is called as your swing high point. Similarly, when the price falls, it again halts at a certain level and then bounces back. So from the place where it took a halt or the place from where it took a pause on the downside, that level is called as your swing low point, or you call it as your swing low area, or you call it as your swing low zone. Now, this swing low will also act as your support zone, meaning if the price, let's say, comes from 100 to 90, it bounces back from 90 to 95. Let's say again from 95 it comes to 90. Now what can happen is it can take a support at 90 again, which was its previous swing low, and then bounce again. Or it can even come to 90 and then break that support and go down even further. I hope you got the concept of swing low. Again, what I'll try to do is I'll try to explain you the concept of swing low with an example on a Nifty chart, on a Bank Nifty chart, as well as on a stock. So for the sake of simplicity, I have taken a daily time frame here. Like we can apply this on any time frame that you want to. Now you could see Nifty here, you could see how the price was here in a downtrend. And you could see this big red candle here where it made a low and then it started bouncing back. So this low point here, this low point becomes your swing low point. And this point will also act as your support point. Similarly, you could see how the price was in a big downtrend here. It took a halt, it took a pause, and it again started going up from here. So this point becomes your swing low point. Now, let us try to identify a swing low point on a Bank Nifty chart. Now, you could see there was a big fall in Bank Nifty from this high to this low. Here it took a halt, it took a pause, and it again started going up here. So the place from where it took a halt, so you could see there is one swing low here, there is one more swing low here, and there is one more swing low here. So I could draw a line here indicating this is my swing low area. This is the level from where the price bounced back. Similarly, you could see if I just go further, I could see the price again went up, it gave a fall, and again it started bouncing from that level. So this level becomes my swing low point again. I hope you are getting the concept of swing low. Let's try to find a swing low on ICICI Prudential daily chart. Now you have to see whether a stock or an index is in a downtrend. So you could see there was a big downtrend here. Again at this level it took a halt, it took a pause, and from there it bounced back. So this zone or this area is going to be my swing low level. So I hope now you are well versed with the concept of a swing high or a swing low. You can just open any chart that you want to and try see if you are able to identify the swing highs and the swing low points. If you want to know more about how you can build a trading strategy from the scratch using the swing highs and using the swing lows, you can join me for my webinar. All you have to do is just click on the link below and register yourself, and I'll see you at the webinar. Until then, take care and stay safe, and I'll see you at the webinar. Bye. Thank you.